Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my origami dog right here. And guys, I know that the leg is missing, but if I ever fix it, I guess I'll make another video of it or so. So yeah, and guys, please check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing, okay? Please. So first, you need a square sheet paper like this, and you want to fold this two edge right here. So you want to fold it in half first. It's already folded right there, and you want to fold this two edge to this center line 2 times, okay? So first, like this, and the other side as well. And again, this edge to the center line. Okay. And now you want to fold this two edge also to the center line, okay, right here. And same thing here. Just like that. And just like making a fish base, you want to fold right into this corner right here. So you want to unfold what you folded before and kind of fold it underneath like that. Then fold it right up to this corner, okay? Like so. Then fold that down. So same thing on this side. So lift this up and fold this underneath like so. Then fold it right up to this corner right there, okay? And fold that down. Okay, and now you want to fold this in half. So make sure this little triangles right here are on the inside, like so. Just like that. And then the smaller point right here. So there's a longer side and a smaller side, or shorter side. You want to bring this this point all the way down, like so, around here. Okay. And now you are going to sink a little bit of that top triangle, okay? So what you're going to do is open that area, just like that, and fold right around there, okay? So you kind of want to eyeball it and fold that point down, okay? So just fold around the middle point and fold the back flat as well, and push in the center, okay? Then fold it right back. Like so. And then you're going to open this pocket and bring this whole edge to this side, okay? or you're gonna bring this corner to this edge here. And bring this edge all the way down to that inside edge. So there's a little bit of that slant. Okay. So same thing on this side now. So bring this corner to this edge here. Okay. And line up with the back side. So it doesn't have to be exact, but yeah. And fold this part in a slight slant, like that. Okay, so this part doesn't have to be exact, but it should look something like this. So bring that corner right up to the front. Okay, and then the head. So you wanna zigzag fold the front. So you wanna fold right around the middle, so you can push a little bit of that top in as well, just like that. So you wanna fold right around the middle, so you kind of want to eyeball it wherever you want. Pull that in and fold it back out, just like that. And then you see that point right here, you want to fold that point inside. Kind of want to eyeball that as well. You want to fold that triangle inside, like that. Then you want to zigzag fold it and fold a little bit of that point out, just like that. Okay, then fold this back, okay, like that, to make the nose, and fold the whole thing back over. Okay, and now you see this triangle on the bottom. You want to that corner, I guess, you want to fold just a little bit of that corner inside. Okay, just like that. And then for the body, so you see this long side, so you want to fold this whole thing back. This around there. Then you want to take this point and fold this back forward around here. So this is going to be the front leg. That's around there. And then you want to make this a little bit bigger. So you want to open up this pocket right here. So take that flap, kind of open it up a little bit so it's a little bit thicker. Okay, and open the other pocket and fold that out. So it should look like this. Okay. And then for the hind leg, you're gonna just kind of drag this back side down just to represent there's a leg there. Okay. So you want to grab that and kind of drag it down like that. So zigzag fold the side to make the back leg. And then you kind of want to adjust it as you like. And here is my origami dog. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.